Hello friends, today I will explain you how to prepare a YouTube video by using PowerPoint presentation for different purposes. It may be for your classroom or to any seminars or webinars. Here you can see that first we need to open the PowerPoint presentation. In this case, here I have opened one of my PPT regarding endangered species. Here you can see there are different options. As I go to home option, and at the end you can see that there is a slideshow option also. So you have to go on slideshow option and click on this record slideshow button. Once you will click on this record slideshow button, they will find that there are different buttons are there and options are there. On the left hand side at the top there is a record button. Once you will click on this record button, the recording will get started, and here you can see there is an option of recording started, and you can see that there are different buttons options where you can use this pen or highlighter. For example, I want to write something or want to point out something by using this pen, so I can go and make a circle. Or suppose I want to go on the next slide, click on this button. Suppose I want to highlight something, by using this highlighter I can go for highlighting a particular part of this PPT. So in this way you can use different options are there for editing or highlighting and writing on this slideshow. Suppose you want to click for the your own image. In that case you can also see that there are different buttons are there, camera and video camera also, and one speaker is there. So by using these functions you can also enable, by enabling these functions your own webcam will get started, and once there is a webcam on, your own image or your own video will be blinking on the slide, so that in the interactive way you can explain your slides.